Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best silicone molds for baking that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, finding the right silicone mold can make all the difference. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Huacaner 2-pieces silicone muffin top pans. If you're someone who loves baking unique treats like muffin tops, mini cakes, or even crafting sandwich buns, this mold is designed for you. Each mold has 6 cavities, each measuring 3.8 inches in diameter, giving you the perfect size for versatile use. Made from food-grade silicone, it's BPA-free and eco-friendly, capable of withstanding a wide temperature range from -40 Fahrenheit to 446 Fahrenheit, making it safe for ovens, microwaves, and freezers. The design of these molds is a highlight. They're thicker than your standard silicone molds, which gives them a durable and sturdy feel. This thickness also ensures they maintain their shape over time and won't deform easily. The non-stick surface makes releasing your baked goods incredibly easy. Just a gentle push, and they pop right out. However, a downside is that the molds are relatively shallow, at just 0.9 inches deep, which might not be ideal for larger or fluffier bakes. In terms of value, this set is excellent for bakers who want to experiment with different recipes or even DIY crafting like resin work. Cleaning is also a breeze, as these molds are dishwasher safe. That said, these molds are more niche and may not be the best option for those looking for a traditional muffin or cupcake pan. Pros include great durability, versatility, and easy cleaning, while cons are the shallow depth and slightly higher price point for what's offered. Coming in at number 4, we have the Veneno Silicone Mini Loaf Pans. This set of 2 8-cavity mini loaf pans is perfect for creating individual servings of banana bread, brownies, or even small cakes. The standout feature here is the metal reinforced frame, which adds stability to the silicone design. This means no more worrying about the pan wobbling when you're transferring it to and from the oven. The pans are also made of BPA-free, food-grade silicone, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, with a cream color that feels modern and clean. Each cavity is non-stick, making it easy to release your baked goods without leaving a mess behind. However, because of the smaller size of each cavity, this pan is best suited for mini bakes rather than full-sized loaves. One minor drawback is that the reinforced edges can make cleaning slightly more tedious, especially if batter spills over. Overall, the Veneno mini loaf pans are a great option for those who love baking smaller, individual portions. They're ideal for meal prep, portion control, or simply trying out new recipes without committing to a full loaf. Pros include the sturdy design, non-stick surface, and versatility, while cons are the limited cavity size and slightly challenging cleanup around the edges. At number 3, we have the Cake Time 12 Cups Silicone Muffin Pan. This is a reliable, straightforward option for bakers who want a no-frills silicone baking mold. With its 12 standard-sized cups, it's perfect for muffins, cupcakes, and even savory options like egg bites or mini quiches. Made from food-grade silicone, this pan is non-stick, flexible, and easy to clean. It's oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and can also be used in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. One thing to note about the design is its flexibility. While this makes it easy to pop out your baked goods, it also means you'll need to place it on a sturdy baking sheet before filling and transferring to the oven. The bright red color is eye-catching, but some users might prefer a more neutral tone. Additionally, while the non-stick surface performs well, it's always a good idea to lightly grease the cups for particularly sticky batters. Overall, the Cake Time pan is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable silicone baking mold. It's durable, easy to use, and versatile enough for a wide range of recipes. Pros include its budget-friendly price, ease of cleaning, and versatility. Cons are its lightweight construction, which can be a bit flimsy, and the need for additional support during baking. Taking the second spot is the Venino 2-pack silicone muffin pan with metal reinforced frame. This set of two 12-cup muffin pans is perfect for avid bakers who want high-quality, durable molds. The metal reinforced frame is a standout feature, providing excellent stability and making it easy to handle the pans without worrying about spills. These pans are made from 100% food-grade silicone, are BPA-free, and safe for use in temperatures ranging from -104 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick surface is another highlight, ensuring your muffins or cupcakes release effortlessly every time. Cleaning is simple too. Just rinse with water or toss them in the dishwasher. The cream color gives these pans a modern and elegant aesthetic, though it may show stains more readily than darker colors. One small drawback is their slightly heavier weight due to the reinforced edges, but this is a trade-off for the increased sturdiness. Overall, these pans offer excellent value for the price, especially for bakers who prioritize durability and performance. They're versatile, easy to clean, and built to last. Pros include the sturdy design, non-stick surface, and dishwasher safety, while cons are the slightly bulky edges and potential for staining over time. Finally, at our number 1 spot, we have the Amazon Basics Reusable Silicone Baking Cups. If you're looking for affordability, convenience, and versatility, these baking cups are a no-brainer. The pack includes 24 reusable cups in vibrant, multicolored designs that are perfect for everything from baking cupcakes to organizing snacks. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these cups are non-stick, flexible, and incredibly easy to clean. They're oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and can also be used in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. The design is simple yet effective. Each cup measures 2.9 by 2.9 by 1.3 inches, fitting perfectly into standard muffin tins, or standing on their own on a baking sheet. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for greasing, making these cups a healthier and more eco-friendly option than disposable liners. However, their lightweight nature means they can be a bit tricky to handle individually, especially when filled with liquid batter. These baking cups are an excellent choice for anyone who values simplicity and sustainability. They're perfect for everyday use and make cleanup a breeze. At just $8.99, they're also incredibly budget-friendly. Pros include their affordability, reusability, and versatility, while cons are their lightweight construction and slightly lower heat resistance compared to some other silicone molds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy baking!